Welcome to Edutalks channel. Hello everyone. Today we will learn about a simple daily routine in English. These are easy words and short sentences you can use every single day in your real life. I will speak very slowly and very clearly so you can hear each sound and follow without stress. If you listen carefully, repeat after me, and read together, you will remember the expressions more easily and feel more confident using them. This lesson is made for beginners who want calm, slow listening, and gentle speaking practice every day with clear timing, soft music, and helpful pauses to support your daily English learning journey today. My name is Sarah. I am a homemaker. I live with my husband Daniel and our two children, Lily and Noah. We live in a small and peaceful house on a quiet street. Our home is simple, but it feels warm and comfortable. My days are usually busy, but I enjoy caring for my family and keeping our home calm and happy. I wake up every morning at 6 o'clock. The house is still quiet at that time. Everyone is sleeping. I like these quiet moments. I get out of bed slowly and stretch my arms. I walk softly to the kitchen so I do not wake anyone. I open the window and let fresh air come inside. The sky is light blue, and the sun is just starting to rise. I hear birds singing outside, and it makes me feel relaxed. I turn on the kettle and make a cup of tea. I hold the warm cup with both hands. The warmth feels good. It helps me wake up and feel ready for the day. I sit at the small table near the window and drink my tea slowly. I breathe deeply and enjoy the silence. Sometimes I think about what I need to do today. Sometimes I simply sit and listen to the sounds of the morning. After I finish my tea, I begin to prepare breakfast. I wash my hands and take out eggs, bread, and fruit. I cook eggs in a pan and toast slices of bread. I cut apples and bananas into small pieces. The smell of food fills the kitchen. At 7 o'clock, I hear footsteps. Lily comes into the kitchen with a smile. She hugs me and says good morning. Noah follows her and sits at the table. He rubs his eyes and yawns. They tell me about their dreams from the night before. Soon my husband comes in and greets us warmly. He pours himself a cup of coffee and sits down. We eat breakfast together and talk about the day ahead. These moments make me feel grateful. After breakfast, the children get ready for school. They put on their uniforms and pack their school bags. I check their lunch boxes carefully. I make sure they have fruit, water, and sandwiches. My husband puts on his jacket and gets ready for work. He gives me a quick hug and says goodbye. At 8 o'clock, the children leave the house. I walk with them to the door and wave as they go. When the house becomes quiet again, I start cleaning. I wash the breakfast dishes and wipe the table. I put everything back in its place. I sweep the floor slowly and open the windows. Fresh air fills the rooms. I water the plants near the window. Some plants have green leaves, and some have small flowers. Taking care of plants makes the house feel alive. Around 9:30, I go to the bedrooms and make the beds. I pull the blankets straight and fluff the pillows. I open the curtains to let sunlight in. Then I collect the dirty clothes and take them to the laundry area. I sort the clothes by color and put them into the washing machine. I add soap and press the start button. The sound of the machine is soft and steady. While the clothes wash, I play gentle music. Sometimes I hum along while I work. It makes chores feel easier. At 11 o'clock, the washing is finished. I take the clothes out and hang them outside. The sun is warm and the breeze is light. The clothes move gently in the wind. I stand for a moment and enjoy the fresh air on my face. After that, I go back inside and check the refrigerator. I see what food we need. I write a small shopping list. I write vegetables, rice, milk, bread, eggs, and fruit. I also add a small snack for the children. At 12 o'clock, I prepare lunch for myself. I cook something simple, like soup or a sandwich. I sit at the table and eat slowly. The house is quiet, and I can hear the clock ticking. It feels calm and peaceful. After lunch, I wash my plate and put it away. I put on my shoes and take my shopping bag. I lock the door and walk to the nearby market. The walk is short and pleasant. I greet my neighbors as I pass their houses. Some smile and wave back. The market is small, but it has everything I need. I choose fresh vegetables and check them carefully. I pick up bread and milk and place them in my bag. I look at the eggs to make sure none are broken. At the counter, the cashier greets me kindly. She asks how my day is going. I smile and thank her. When I return home, I put all the food away neatly. I wash the vegetables and place them in the fridge. Then I start preparing dinner early. I chop onions, tomatoes, and other vegetables. I cook rice and season the meat carefully. The smell of cooking fills the kitchen and makes me hungry. While the food cooks, I clean the living room. I arrange the cushions and wipe the shelves. Everything looks tidy. At 4 o'clock, I hear the sound of the school bus. Lily and Noah run inside happily. They drop their bags and start talking at the same time. Lily shows me her homework and a picture she drew at school. Noah tells me about a game he played with his friends. I listen carefully and smile. We sit together and have a small snack, usually fruit or biscuits. After that, the children rest or do homework. Around 6 o'clock, my husband comes home from work. The children run to greet him. He hugs them and asks about their day. We all sit together for dinner. We eat slowly and talk about many things. Sometimes we laugh and share funny stories. The house feels warm and full of love. After dinner, I wash the dishes, and my husband helps by drying them. We clean the table and store the leftover food. Sometimes we watch television together. Other times, the children play games while I finish small tasks. At 8:30, it is time for bedtime. The children brush their teeth and put on pajamas. I tuck them into bed and read a short story. Lily enjoys magical stories, and Noah likes stories about adventures. After reading, I kiss them goodnight and turn off the lights. At 9 o'clock, I make myself a cup of tea. I sit on the sofa and drink it slowly. I think about the day and feel thankful. Sometimes I call my mother and talk with her for a few minutes. She always asks about the children and sends her love. Before going to bed, I check my plan for tomorrow. I write down things I need to do or buy. Then I brush my teeth and change into sleepwear. I lie down in bed and feel tired but content. My day is full, but my heart feels peaceful and happy. I hope you learned many useful words and simple sentences today, and that you can use them in your everyday life with confidence. We are creating more slow, clear, and calm English videos like this, so you can listen carefully, repeat easily, and practice a little every day. If this lesson helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to Edutalks for more beginner practice. Thank you for watching. Keep learning daily, and I will see you in the next video with simple daily English habits. Bye for now.